Hey there, Salesforce admins. Whether you're just starting out or have been in the game for a while, there's always room to grow and improve. Are you ready to take your career to the next level? Imagine unlocking new opportunities and reaching heights you never thought possible. I've got something that can make you not just good, but irresistible. Yes, you heard that right. Irresistible to employers, clients, and the entire Salesforce community. Introducing the I.N.S.P.I.R.E program, your ticket to becoming an accredited, certified, and experienced Salesforce admin. This program is designed to elevate your skills and credentials to new levels. Picture this. You're working alongside top Salesforce mentors and a cohort of like-minded I.N.S.P.I.R.E apprentices. Imagine the wealth of knowledge and experience you'll gain from such an environment. You're earning while you're learning, transforming into a true small business consultant. Sounds exciting, right? The hands-on experience you gain will be invaluable. Now let me break it down for you. The I.N.S.P.I.R.E program uses the I.N.S.P.I.R.E method, designed to supercharge your career. What's that, you ask? Let's dive into each component. I stands for image. Boost your professional image to stand out in the crowded Salesforce ecosystem. A polished image can open doors and create lasting impressions. N stands for networking. Connect with key players in the industry who can open doors for your career. Building a strong network is crucial for long-term success. S stands for skill building. Sharpen your Salesforce skills with real-world projects and hands-on experience. Practical knowledge is what sets you apart from the rest. P stands for prospecting skills. Learn how to attract and retain clients like a pro. Mastering these skills will make you indispensable to any organization. I stands for interviewing skills. Master the art of nailing that dream job interview. Confidence and preparation are key to making a great impression. R stands for reputation building. Enhance your professional reputation by delivering top-notch solutions. A strong reputation can lead to more opportunities and career growth. E stands for experience building. Gain invaluable experience that sets you apart from the competition. Real-world experience is what employers are looking for. All of this for just $97 a month. Yes, you heard that right. An investment in your future that's affordable and packed with value. Just $97 a month for a comprehensive program that can transform your career and your future as an irresistible admin. That's less than your daily coffee fix. Imagine trading one coffee a day for a lifetime of career success. Imagine having the confidence to tackle any Salesforce challenge, supported by mentors who've been in your shoes. Their guidance can be the difference between good and great. Imagine being part of an exclusive group of I.N.S.P.I.R.E apprentices, all striving for greatness. The camaraderie and support you'll find here are unmatched. And the best part, you don't have to do it alone. Collaboration and teamwork are at the heart of the I.N.S.P.I.R.E program. You'll be surrounded by a community that's got your back. A network of peers and mentors who are as committed to your success as you are. Think of it as your professional family. A family that supports, encourages, and celebrates your achievements. So, are you ready to become an irresistible admin, ready to take on new challenges and achieve your career goals? Join the I.N.S.P.I.R.E program today and start your journey to becoming the best version of yourself. The first step is always the hardest, but it's also the most rewarding. Let's make your Salesforce career unstoppable. With the right tools and support, there's no limit to what you can achieve. Click the link below to enroll now. I can't wait to see you on the other side. Your future self will thank you for taking this step. Remember, the world needs more aces. Be one of them. Stand out, be exceptional, and make a difference. Thanks for watching, and see you all soon. Your journey to becoming an ace starts now.